I'm in Movenpick. Today we're going to be doing a cookery session with the chef. It's 3 courses, a fruit salad, and then another salad. Then we have pasta with tomato sauce.
Right. And then we have also the fruit salad and green salad. Yeah.
These I don't need to introduce other than
Okay.
this, which is the bell pepper and olives, and this is oregano. I use to add more flavor. After the cheese, olive oil, tomato sauce. Anyways, the pasta itself and butter, unsalted butter.
Or you can add spinach as well. Yeah, spinach is more healthy. Okay, so basically we have to make the dressing before we prepare the salad. Yeah, so dressing can be like from the lemon and then vinegar, salt inside, and then Dijon mustard, or you can do from the balsamic. So this one we call the lemon dressing, and another way we call the balsamic dressing. Yeah, but today we do with the lemon dressing. All right. So inside this we make our homemade here. Inside is the orange, and then mustard, little bit of honey, yeah, and then olive oil. Just blend together. Then
Yeah, I can smell it.
yeah, then we cooling that. Okay. So same thing, similar like we make the fruit salad. Yeah, we first put the onion. I will show you first, then you can practice after that. Yeah?
Green salad some next. Anyways, first you have to get your dressing ready, and it has olive oil, mustard, some honey, and lemon.
Good.
Anyways, you can add it any way you want, but I'm just gonna add starting with bell pepper. Tomatoes.
What do you call this tomato name?
Cherry tomatoes.
Very good.
Yeah, I use them a lot because they're the only tomatoes in our house. Lettuce, you can get like big like this,
Yeah.
or you can make into pieces, but I'm just going to make it big.
All right. Good.
And my 2 least favorite parts, onions and olives. And then you could just add the dressing.
Yeah.
First you have to shake it,
When you-
shake it though, and then you have to add 3 tablespoons of it, and if you want a little bit of olive oil, I'm just borrowing this from the mac and cheese section,
That's good.
and then just mix it like every single other key element in all my cooking videos, other than the one which I did on day 13 of the first lockdown.
Very good.
Put a link to the burger video in the description.
All right.
Done.
Done. Yeah. Okay, this is your one. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to be making the pasta. First, you have to add a teaspoon of olive oil,
Yeah. And 1 teaspoon
and
of
some
butter.
butter. Just a teaspoon as well. Hopefully nothing bad will happen to the butter while it's smoking.
Yeah.
See? Then
Next, after the melted the butter, then we toast the pasta. So just toast the pasta with the butter, and then after that tomato sauce, and then last the final, we add the cheese and oregano. Okay, so now ready getting hot. Put the pasta now. Put using the spoon. tablespoon.
Okay.
Yeah. All. Yeah, one minute. So first you talk, you get to get the flavor from the butter and olive oil like this. Let's try. Action. Can do. Good. Yeah. Okay, good. Yes. Good. Mix well the pasta with the spoon. And add tomato sauce. No?
That's the huge noise. I actually have to screen the talk now, but it's blowing.
Now the tomato sauce and the pasta start to mixing together, right? Filling.
Yeah. So now should we add the cheese?
1 minute. Say 1 minute.
That was the bottom.
Okay, boiling. Just like a 2-3 minutes for it. And then you add some cheese now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I better do it quick before it blows in my face. I had to stop for a while because I don't want the sticks to blow on my face.
Okay.
I think I might be a small mess with the cheese. I'm not used to doing stuff with one hand.
After we add the cheese, we cannot cook a long time. Alright.
That's enough cheese?
Enough?
Yeah, because of this plastic on the...
Okay. And then put some oregano little bit. Just for make it nice. Right. Okay. Okay. Then you mix just like take video. Yeah. Yeah. And then another side. Then yeah.
Which is probably going to speed up the process of it going up.
Then done.
Oh yeah, I forgot we already added that.
You can, if you like, you can add some more butter to make a shining in the pasta. Yeah, because the first step we do already with the butter, right? You can add one. In professional chef, just do this. Maybe you can imagine that in next cooking video, you will do like this.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah?
I sometimes try
Yeah.
to make an omelet or flip a pancake.
All right, good, cool. Yeah, this is your pasta today. Done. Right?
Except it's
So
still
now we
steaming.
go to
I'm
plate.
done with my pasta now, so I'm gonna plate it.
All right.
If
Let's
this
do
bowl
it.
doesn't fall, hopefully that cheese isn't cooked.
Okay.
Wow, that's a ton of
Yeah.
plates. Even though there isn't much space.
Yes. When you put in the pasta, just do like that.
No,
Ah,
I
you.
use it
This
with
is
that
other
big
side.
spoon. I use it with the big spoon
Oh,
when
okay.
I'm actually getting something from the kids club menu.
Okay.
Sorry, kids menu, not kids club.
Enough, yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
it.
then put sprinkle of the cheese again on the top in your pasta. Okay. And for
My pasta came out well, even though it nearly exploded in my face. And yeah, and here's a close of my pasta.
so if not familiar from you, so you can ask me the question, yeah.
I know that's dragon fruit,
Dragon fruit, yes. Right.
watermelon,
Watermelon.
and
What we call that? Pomegranate.
yeah,
Pomegranate, yeah.
And I don't know these
Yeah,
two
this is
things,
this.
but I think this might be papaya.
Watermelon.
Oh.
Melon, sorry.
Melon,
Honey melon, yeah. And this one is the pineapple.
Pineapple.
Yeah. So basically, when you make the salad in your home or we serve salad in our restaurant, so some dressing is you can use the orange or reduction of orange. Reduction means we cook the orange juice like with the slow fire, we will get like a 30%. Yeah, then after that we cooling, then we call the dressing. Dressing means
I know, it's like
yeah,
covering
of the salad for toasting the salad. All right. So we have the honey here. Also depend if you like, yeah, because the orange juice is already content with the sweet, right? So we just put extra more little bit of honey, yeah. So first step, so we just put all the ingredient in one bowl. Let's go. Like 1 tablespoon of the pineapple. 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon. You can take, yeah. Yeah, it's fine. And then 1 tablespoon of the melon. Alright. Good.
And I'll just add a bit
Yes,
more.
sure. And then we have the dragon.
Which is the fruit I hate the most.
Yes. You like it?
No,
No? And watermelon?
I'm allergic to watermelon.
Allergic?
I can only have it once a week, otherwise
Alright.
I get sick.
Oh, right. Okay. Just put it. And then tomato. Okay. So when we make ingredient, so we just put the 1 tablespoon of this one, of orange juice. Yeah. So you want 2 tablespoons, is fine.
Okay.
And then
Honey.
honey, just drop like 1 teaspoon to get the sweetness. Alright, then toast it. Like gently toast. Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah. When I was looking at the mac and cheese video, it was the same. It was called folding, I think.
Folding, yeah, similar. Alright. So if you want like more acidic inside, acidic means like fresh from the lime or lemon, you can squeeze off the lime.
I know,
Yeah.
because they use lime or lemon.
Yes, because in orange juice we already constant the acidic there, like a sourness, yeah, and sweet, and we put a little bit honey as well. You can try it. You want to try?
Nothing.
No, no.
I already have watermelon. Okay, here is my green salad, and it's complete full. And here is my fruit salad, which has some juice coming out of these little red small fruits. I keep on forgetting what they're called. Oh, I nearly forgot. Thank you, Chef Komang, for
Always welcome.
helping me to make all this
Thank you.
from Movenpick Maldives.
Very good.